to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Who does not want to witness a few first-rate motion and sports activities wrapped with a thrilling storyline? A television collection together with numerous instances at the site of realness and fantastic performances is cherished by a way of all. Hyperdrive is one such display which has stayed a number of the audiences when you consider its launch. What makes this display even greater exciting is the truth that it's far a non-scripted display. Based on car racing field, the display is certainly a laugh to observe throughout. The display is a documentary that has a few famous person forged like Lindsay Sarniak, Rutledge Wood, Mike Hill, Michael Bisping, and few others. Aired on Netflix, the primary season became released within the year 2019, and the display, when you consider, has acquired several praises and appreciations from the critics. The first season had 10 episodes in general, namely Ready to Launch, Roll the Dice, Enter the Assassin, Go Hard or Go Home, Head to Head, Checkers or Wreckers, Track is Hot, Wild Card, A Chance at Redemption, Semi-Final, Last Chance, and Finale the Monster. The composer David Vanacore has given a terrific musical deal to the viewers. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. The plot is largely approximately a number of the maximum elite and professional racers throughout the globe who appear to mission and check their obstacles in numerous custom-designed cars. Talking of Season 2, there was a number of principles floating around it. This has created dilemmas, illusions, or even false information. Some declare it's going to air within 2021 itself, whilst a few think that any fact is yet to be released. There has not been any trailer or teaser out, and neither has the famous person forged or makers of the display showed something as of now. While enthusiasts are waiting, they ought to additionally understand that the year 2020 became a difficult one that brought about the postponement of numerous suggests such as this one too. Apart from that, there may be no information of the display or any renewal information. Season 1 being a large hit, a number of audiences, in particular a number of the youngsters, may be wanting an excessive risk for the display to return. While we hold our arms crossed and anticipate this high quality display, we are hoping that the makers understand the yearning and pop out with something exciting again. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.